Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this lace choker. Before I start making my choker, I'm measuring my neck measurement, which is 13 inches long. To make my choker I will be using adjustable clasp connectors. These are all materials which I'll be using to make my lace choker. Now I'll show you how I make my lace choker. First I'm cutting my lace trimming 11.5 inches long. Next I'm cutting satin ribbon same length as the lace. Burning satin ribbon edges so they don't fray. Next I'm sewing on satin ribbon in the middle of the lace. Next I'm using this satin cord to make my bow. I'm cutting this satin cord 20 inches long. Burning edges so they don't fray. Folding my cord in half and I'm making a bow. Next I'm folding my lace in half and I'll be sewing my bow in the center of the lace there. Next I'm sewing this bead on the center of the bow. Next I'm attaching clasp connectors. My clasp connectors are 1 inch wide, but my lace edge is 1.5 inches wide, so it's a tiny bit wider. So I'm making small box pleats on the edge, as you can see now. And now I'm adding that lace in the middle of the clasp and I'm pressing that clasp closed with the fingers and I'm finishing off with the pliers so the clasp is closed. And I'm repeating same on other side. And my lace choker is finished now. If you have any questions how I made this lace choker, please do comment down below in a comment box. Also I made another choker using black lace using same sewing technique. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. I'll appreciate that a lot. Love, Anita.